Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting data, backup documents, desktop, and any OneDrive files to an external drive or cloud. Next, create and sign into a local administrator account so you can remove the Microsoft user. This prevents being locked out. Once signed in as the local admin, open Settings and get ready to navigate to Accounts. Make sure the laptop is plugged in and has a steady internet connection. You may need it to unlink the Microsoft account online later. Now in Settings, go to Accounts, then Family and Other Users. Locate the Microsoft account you want to delete. Click the account entry, then click Remove. You'll see a confirmation that deleting the account will remove sign-in credentials and local data for that user. Choose whether to delete files or keep them. If prompted, enter the administrator password to proceed. Once you confirm, Windows will remove the account locally. This does not always unlink the device from your online Microsoft profile, so hold on for the next step. Once removal finishes, sign out of the local admin and reboot the laptop. Then check C/users to confirm the deleted user folder is gone or moved to your backup. Make sure to visit Account, Microsoft.com and remove the device from your Microsoft account if you want it unlinked online. This prevents future syncs. If Windows won't let you remove the account because it's the primary sign-in, create another admin or convert the account to a local account first, then repeat the removal steps. That usually resolves permission errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.